I'm still a fan even though it's salty. Hate to see you with some other, but know you happy. Hate to see you happy if I'm not the one driving. I'm so mature, I'm so mature.
Keep on making me bleed. Nightmares turn into a dream. It gets so toxic to me. What am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep.
Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. I'm in my YouTube bag this month. I am not playing no games with y'all at all. Y'all gonna be seeing a lot of content from me. Y'all already seen the first video and now y'all seeing this one. Y'all are gonna be getting a third video as well after this one. It's just gonna be video after video after video. But in today's video, I am doing the first Pride look of this month, which came out really cute. It's like this little heart thing. And if you guys seen like the looks that I've done, like that look similar to this, but it's like a different shape on like the inner and outer corner. And this is exactly how it is, but the inner and outer corners are just in shapes of hearts. So I am going to be talking in like a few parts of this video. I don't want to talk through the whole thing. I want to let y'all watch the video, but I am going to pop in and out of the video to let y'all know like what shades I'm using, what products I'm using, and yeah. Dipping into the Be Perfect 𝐁𝐑𝐍𝐂𝐒𝐒 Love Tahiti palette. I am using the black shade. It's called Black Beach. This is the only shade that I'm using in this palette to give me an outline for the inner and outer corner for the heart. And then I'm going to switch to a different palette for the colorful colors.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we not hiding, 'cause that's just the way we.
Okay, so right now I am digging into the red shade in the Love Tahiti palette. I'm digging into the shades Chili Pepper and Blaze to give me like that perfect red color. Now I am dipping into the orange shade, well, shades that are Sundown and Mango, and I am just patting that shade down. I'm not blending it out just yet.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't
So now I just took my cut carver from P. Louise and also my blank canvas paint, and I carved out the hearts, which look really good. And now the finished eye look is complete. Now I'm gonna get into my base routine, which y'all don't really need to watch because I already have the base routine up on my page already, on my channel. So I'm not really gonna talk to this part, but I am gonna pop up the part from a product that actually took me by surprise, which I actually love. So I'll pop in that part, and I'm gonna just let y'all watch the rest of the video.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying. And the truth we not hiding, 'cause that's just the way we are. Can say I love you when it's like that. Can say I love you when it's like that. You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page.
Okay, so I wanted to pop in on this part really quick. I received these Rare Beauty blushes last week in PR, and this shade right here, Lucky, is the most pigmented blush that I have ever used in my life. Now, y'all saw my reaction. Now look at my reaction. Blending this out. I applied a little too much. I didn't think if I applied like 2 dots, I didn't think it was gonna be like that pigmented. And I'm gonna just let y'all know right now, if I get this color blush or any color like blush, like the red one, the purple one, or whatever, use only like 1 dot. Using 2 or 3 dots is a little too much. But my base actually came out good. I just had to tone the blush down a little bit with my beauty sponge that I had used for my foundation. And my blush actually came out really good, better than I expected it to. So yeah, I just wanted to pop it on that part real quick. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did doing this look. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and don't forget to click the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Turn up the sound, mix me down, mix me down.
I told the world cause you can see it in my eyes. The other shotters in the town are praying for the lion's demise. To the roof of the coupe, let's see the sky. They thought I'm sweet and I'm a...
How does it feel to be you? Feel like the feeling of a suppressed. Feel like I got no breath. Feel like I need it rest. Feel it's to see